Lily and the Lost Puppy. Lily is a young girl who loves animals. She has a cat named Whiskers and a rabbit named Fluffy. The puppy looks sad and lost. Lily goes over to the puppy and gently pats its head. "Hello, little puppy. Are you lost?" Lily asks. The puppy wags its tail and licks her hand. Lily looks around to see if anyone is looking for Art the puppy, but she doesn't see anyone. She decides to help the puppy find its home. "Come with me," Lily says to the puppy. She picks it up and carries it to the park entrance. There she sees a man putting up a poster on a tree. The poster has a picture of the puppy. "Excuse me, sir, is this your puppy?" Lily asks the man. The man turns around and smiles. "Yes, that's my puppy. Thank you so much for finding him. His name is Buddy." Lily hands Buddy to the man, who gives the puppy a big hug. "Thank you, young lady. Buddy ran away this morning, and I've been looking for him everywhere." Lily smiles and says, "I'm happy I could help. Buddy is a sweet puppy." The man thanks Lily again and offers her a small reward, but Lily shakes her head. "I don't need a reward. I'm just glad Buddy is safe." Lily waves goodbye to Buddy and his owner, feeling happy that she could help.